I'm going to show you how to set up an account for Weebly.com. Weebly is a website builder that is free for you to set up a website for your business. You type in the URL, Weebly.com, and then you click sign up. You will sign up using your Google, your Gmail or your Google account information. So whatever you use for Google. So LIA, I use my last name here. The email I'm going to use is Leah C. Olson. I'm going to use this one. Wants you to confirm. Password I'm going to use is the same as my Gmail password so that I keep it simple. And you do want to select United States because that is where you're operating the website. Then you agree to the terms and you click continue. Now I already signed in, so mine's going to look different, but basically once you sign in, it will give you the opportunity to select a website.